Apk Getter Extractor is an Android application designed for users who want to extract APK files from installed applications or download APKs from various sources. This tool is particularly useful for backing up apps, sharing APK files with others, or analyzing app contents. The application typically offers a simple and user-friendly interface, allowing users to browse through their installed applications and select the ones they wish to extract. Once selected, Apk Getter Extractor can generate APK files that can be stored on the device or transferred to other devices easily. Additionally, the app may include features such as searching for specific apps, categorizing applications, and providing information about app versions and permissions. This helps users to manage their applications more effectively and maintain control over their installed software. Overall, Apk Getter Extractor is a valuable tool for Android users who want to customize their app experience, make backups, or share APK files without complications.